Is it time? Yeah. How you feeling?
Sleepy?
This is pre-op.
Yeah.
Got anything you want to say to anybody?
I love you guys.
We love you too. This is before you even get the good stuff. I'm talking about the stuff that knocks you out all the way.
Yeah.
Night night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bug bugs bite. Love
I'm
you.
not going to sleep though.
Yeah, you are. You just don't know it yet. And bye-bye. Say bye.
There's two little apple symbols.
You want to say bye-bye?
It's two. There's two apple symbols.
No, this is one.